Hi everyone, welcome to Connect Through Technologies. So today I am going to explain who are all using the Oracle Fusion Financials within the India across the globe. So at this moment I am just taking as an 50 companies. So the reason why I am doing this video, recently I conducted one demo session for new batch. Within that some freshers, some non-financial background, they asked who are all using the Oracle Fusion Financials in India across the globe. So you just let me know the customers or a client name. So now I'm going to explain who are all using the Oracle Fusion Financials within India. Let's see here. We have 50 companies at this moment. I'm taking an example. So if you see here, jewelry industries like Khazana Jewelries, GRT Jewelries, Kalyan Jewelries, and we have a Suguna Foods and Haldirams, Vizag Steel, and here we have Inner Pack. They are into power tools and delivery. This is mainly used for all over Flipkart, Amazon. What are the couriers which you are getting, right? It will be that entire delivery technology. It will be managed by this company, John Deere Tractors, and Nova IV IVF Fertility Center, and FL Smith. This FL Smith mainly used for they will construct the entire cement factory or else any crusher machines. So if you given a if you want to build any customer like such kind of in such kind of industry, if you go there, they will build entire industry and they will hand out to us with a specified cost. Next is Sanda Technology. Sanda Technology main their business is they will manufacture the spare parts related two wheelers for Honda and TVS as well as the Hero Motors. Next is Ritanya School. So they are into education business. So they are also using the Oracle Fusion. Next matrimony.com for marriages consulting services. Next we have a TTD. So Tirumal Tirupati Devasthanam, they are also using. Next to Narayana Health, it's a Narayana Hrudayalaya Hospital, Care Hospital, Airtel Telecommunication, CRA pumps. So they are manufacturing the agriculture related water pumps. And Wonderla for entertainment. Cholamandalam Finance. So they are doing the finance scale industries. They will provide the loans for a small scale industry, vehicle loan, personal loan. And Patanjali. Next, we have a electronics Panasonic, Flipkart, and Amazon. These are for e-commerce business. HSBC banking sector, Kotak Bank. This is also banking sector, and Xerox India, MDH Spices Masala Company. Then Grow Up Angel Broking. So for stock market related companies. Next, we have a Hero Motors. Next, LinkedIn, Mark Suzuki, Kirloskar. So Kirloskar, they will manufacture the power generators. Okay, next to RDC Concrete, next to Berger Paints, Michelin Tires, Toshiba Power Tools, DHL Courier Services, next to GE. So GE everyone knows. So they are into all the industries. They are manufacturing all kind of business like healthcare, oil and gas, technology, Skinner Electronics. Next to Tata Steel, Tata Power, Tata Solar Systems. Next Safe Express. This is also delivery company like Parcel and LG. They will do the manufacturing the technology like TVs, mobile devices and all. Next to Superjit, this Superjit main they will manufacture the all two-wheeler, four-wheeler related wires, cables, bulbs and speedometers. Next to Shopper Stop, lifestyle company. Next to Bajaj Electronics, Uber, Ola, more supermarket, Starbucks, ISB School. Yeah, so these are the few customers which I am taking an example. Currently, these all customers they are using the Oracle EBS as well as Oracle Fusion Financials. Okay, so within that they are using the financial sector. I mean, it's a financial model. They are using EBS. Within the EBS they are using Fusion Financials. They are using supply chain. So there it will be used by the all the models based on their requirement. So as per my experience, as per my knowledge in India, so almost 1000 to 1500 customers are there who are using the Oracle Fusion Financials. At the same time, Oracle Business, Oracle e-business to Tartwell also. Okay. So this is just for an so idea purpose. If any freshers they want to learn the Oracle Fusion Financials or any non-financial background students, if they want to learn the Oracle Fusion, who are all using the Oracle Fusion first, they should know, right? So that is the reason why I am doing this video. Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Connective Technologies for more and more quality education purpose. Have a good day. Thank you.